Hey folks, this is Appointomatic Review. If you are looking for a software that can automate your event management and also the appointment that you want to book, then this is the right platform and the right video for you to watch till the end. Hey guys, my name is Govind and welcome to you on Tech Evoke. Today we are going to discuss about Appointomatic and its working. So I am into the official website of Appointomatic. This is the official website where you will be buy the software itself. So this software is for scheduling to launch your events, to launch your appointment on the web, and you can charge you can also charge for that appointment. This is based on collecting the emails. This is based on sending the notification, the emails, everything available in this Appointomatic. You don't have to do anything, just you have to set up one time, and after that you have to share your link. Okay, so this is official website, and let's see the vendor. What about the vendor point of view on the official website? So they say triple any local clients appointments overnight and never miss the chance to grab unlimited leads on autopilot with the new age interactive appointment booking system. So this is clearly mentioned here that this is appointment booking system, and you are now clear about the Appointomatic. What is this? So let's go to the review of my Tech Evoke, that is Appointomatic review I have shared with you. In this review you will get all the in-depth details about this software. What is this software, what are the features, the pros and cons, how it works, the live demo, and especially why I am taking to you on this review, because I want to share my huge bonuses that I am offering you absolutely free with Appointomatic software. So the first one is 99 plus transparent PNG. So these are the bonuses, and the best bonuses I want to explain you here, that are DV builder, and this is second one is 8,000 plus Facebook business groups, and also you will get the Thrive Architect. Okay, so these are the main highlights of my bonuses. You will get absolutely free. Rest of the bonuses you can check with the help of the link available on the description. So this is it about my review. Whatever the information you want, whatever you want to read, and if you decided to buy, then go with my link. Here is an bundle deal offer I have shared on my review, that is Appointomatic bundle. What inside in this bundle is, in this bundle all the upgrades of Appointomatic you will get in one time payment. You don't have to go for upgrades, another upgrades, and third upgrades. Just you have to get one bundle, and all the upgrades you will get absolutely in one time price. Okay, so this is it about Appointomatic. So let's come to the members area and dashboard of Appointomatic. So this is the actual software you are going to get when you purchase Appointomatic from its official website. So what you can do with this software, here are the menu you can see, and here are some of the meetings I have already set down, and here the 9 events I have set, and interaction 1, and available hours of 6. Okay, so what are these things? All you need to understand only the working, and don't forget, don't worry about these things. So let's come one by one what you have to do. So as we share the how to guide on our review, here you can see. So the first step is to connect your calendar with your Appointomatic. So what you have to do, you have to connect. So the meeting integration is here. Once I click here, then you can see I have connected my Google Calendar. If you haven't connected, if you are new here, then what you have to do, you have to add on add new integration, and Google Calendar is available here. Okay, also you can add some more things here. Okay, so this is the basic steps. First step, you have to connect your calendar. Why you have to connect the calendar? Because once you connect the calendar, then you will get all the notifications on your mail, on your calendar, on your mobile, that you have fixed meetings on those times. Okay, so let's come to the next option, which is the my events. These events I have already set down here on the Appointomatic. So what you have to do to set up an event, you have to click here and a new event type. So here the event title, the URL, so the URL is automatically generated, but the subdomain, or you can say the URL prefix, you have to put here. So what I have to do, suppose I have Appointomatic review, title is Appointomatic review, and I want to this appoint review. Okay, so this is my URL. This should be unique. So if you if you put some matched title, then you will not get that URL. You have to put that unique article, unique URL link. Okay, so this is the description. So this review webinar, or you can say the video, will be beneficial for you to evaluate its worth, must attend. Okay, so this is it. So the duration of your event, suppose the event duration is 20 minutes, and this is the pricing. Okay, so if you want to put your event free, then you can add the 0 here, and if you want to charge for your event, then you can put your amount here, just like I want to charge $20. So I have put the $20, then create, and after creating, you can see your event has added here the 20-minute. Okay, so once I view my event, so you can see how my event looks like. Okay, so this URL you have to share with your customers so that they can fill into their appointment link. Okay, so this is the available dates. Okay, so before adding any of the event, you have to set your available dates and time, so that it shows here the available dates for customer. If a customer choose any other date and you have not time on that date, then you will face some problems. Okay, so first set down your available dates, then only create an event. So once a customer choose any of the date, I have chosen here, and this is the time. Okay, so this is all about. Okay, so your name and email, so this should be filled by your customer. Okay, so this is the confirm. After confirming, once I fill, it goes to the PayPal payment. Okay, so you can add your PayPal here, you can change all the things here. Okay, so this is JVXs and all these things. Okay, you can change here. So this is all about setting up an event and how people book to the event, how it looks like. Okay, so this is all about, and how you can change your available dates and hours. So this is the configure. So here what you have to do, change available times. Okay, so here you can change your time. If you have 3 hours in a day, then you can change here start time and end time. Okay, so this has set it down from the afternoon 12 and evening 6. Okay, so you can change according to your free time, and then start creating the events. So now come to the booking. Once the event has filled, your booking will be available here. So at this time I haven't any booking right now. So once events booked, then booking are available here. Okay, So this is all about these two tabs are main impact of Appointmatic. Okay, so once you go to the meeting integration, this is the integration I have already told you. So what you have to do, you have to go to the agency. Okay, so this comes with agency license. Okay, so now I have not upgraded the agency. Okay, so this will available when I upgrade my membership here. Okay, so this is the reseller. Once I click reseller, nothing happens because this is front end. So I also want to show you some restrictions and some extra features, advanced features that you will get with Appointmatic, that are the upgrades. Okay, so if you go for front end only, the front end price is approximately you can say where is the price, I have to check. This is the price. Okay, $37 you have to pay for front end. If you go for the upgrade, so in front end you will get only these things. This is the front end access of my Appointmatic dashboard. You can see what are the things I can do with this. So the email notification, or you can say other things. So if I go to the events, just like I want to show you something, this is view. Okay, this is view only, and if I add it, okay, so here are other things. Okay, once you add the my event, okay, one of the event, then these options will be available after creating the event. So what you have to do, you have to schedule it. So you can schedule it, minimum booking notice 120 time, 120 minute, before 120 minute this will trigger notification to your booked customers. Okay, so this is the date range, and if I go to the autoresponder, I can add the go to webinar also. I can add, this is not okay, go to webinar you can add here. Okay, autoresponder, in autoresponder you can choose active campaign, get response, MailChimp, whatever the autoresponder you want to connect here, then you can connect with Appointmatic. Okay, so the webinar is only available for go to webinar. So you have to get the go to webinar subscription if you want to launch your event. Okay, so this is autoresponder. So you are very well know about the autoresponder, why we added here, because we want to send notifications about our event and all the necessary things. Okay, so this is autoresponder. So I close it. This is the design. So you have seen that this is a green background I have seen here. Once I choose any other background, so if my theme is sky blue, then I can choose the sky blue, and the theme, dark theme. So light theme with blue, light theme will be good. Template setting, you can add templates, colors and other things. Okay, so these are not available at this time because I have not upgraded. Some of the templates are available. Okay, so they are loading right now. So you can see the appointment screen will be shown like these. Okay, so you can see how attractive these are. So you can choose from these. Okay, so now go to the branding. You can add your logo, just like your logo available here. You can add your logo also. This is the share setting. If you click here, then your appointment can also share to other. Okay, this is the relevant event, and also video setting. You can also add the video embed code you have to put here. Okay, so all the things are available, all the things are customizable, and make it attractive. Okay, this is a notification. You can customize your notification message, how people will get your notification about the event booking and the event date. Okay, so you can customize according to your need. Okay, so this is the language settings. So you can choose your language, also the pop-up script, also the Facebook share. Okay, so you can upload here and you can directly share your event into the Facebook. Okay, so these are the things. Coupons also you can add. So I cannot show you each and everything because the video will be very long and you will not understand all the things if I mix up all the things here. Okay, so this is all about the events. So in last I have shared you something excited, that is the customizable things and the notification and autoresponder things. Okay, so this is all about Appointomatic. Hope you understand all the things, how it works, what is this software and what are the pricing. Okay, so for more details I want to show you its OTO and upgrades, so that you can understand what are the things you will get with the front end OTO 1, OTO 2 or OTO 3. And I can say I can show you something that I have shown you in recent time, in starting time of this video, that you don't have to go for upgrades. If you go for all the upgrades, then you have to upgrade it again and again. Once get the front end, then upgrade it for OTO 1, upgrade it to, for OTO 2. And if you go with this process to get all the things of Appointomatic, then you may face some extra charges, because it's the total amount of all including front end is higher than the bundle. Okay, so I recommend you to go for the bundle, just because this is only for one time and it's almost the half price of total of front end and OTOs. Okay, so go for the bundle and get my bonuses absolutely free. So this is it about Appointomatic. If you want to know about upgrades and OTOs of Appointomatic, then you can go with my review. The link is on the description, and once you click on the OTO and upgrades, you can see each and everything and whatever things included with that upgrade or front end, you can see here. Okay, so this is it about Appointomatic. Hope you like the video. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Thank you.